Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that the device actually has touch hardware. This saves wasted effort. Check the model and BIOS for a touch flag because software fixes cannot create missing hardware. Once done, fully power cycle the computer, shut down, wait 30 seconds, and restart to clear temporary driver locks. Then open Settings versus Control Panel and navigate to System and Device Manager. Make sure the HID-compliant touch screen entry exists and is not disabled, because re-enabling is the first actionable fix. You now handle the core software, drivers, calibration, and system services. Update the HID and touchscreen drivers. If a new driver broke touch, roll back to a prior version. If none work, download the vendor driver and install it. Once drivers are correct, calibrate the screen through tablet PC settings or the vendor utility so touch mapping aligns with display coordinates. Also check that touch-related services run and are set to automatic. Without them, the OS won't process input events correctly. You finish by cleaning up and validating. If touch recently stopped, use System Restore or apply pending Windows updates that might fix regressions. Test touch in safe mode and with a new user account to determine whether a driver or profile issue is to blame. If the problem persists after software steps, run the vendor's hardware diagnostics. A failed digitizer or connector requires repair or replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: if touch works intermittently, reseating the display cable or checking for moisture often resolves contact faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.